Hey all, this is Alex, and today I'm really excited to show you how you could get started summarizing all your meetings with Wordcab. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is either import an audio file or join a live meeting. For the purposes of this demo, I've already uploaded this meeting. We'll just call it generic name for now, and we could change that later on. So once your file is finished processing, you'll be able to click into it and enter the summary page. Now this is where all the magic happens. You could see the transcript is kind of grayed out on the left. That's because we don't put too much emphasis on the transcript. Nobody really wants to read that anyway. This is way too long. So all the attention goes to the summary. And the first thing you're going to want to do is just quickly go over the summary and see if this is enough details for you. Sometimes you're going to want a much more granular summary. Sometimes you want a high-level summary. So let's say you want something a lot more detailed. You just move this length slider up, and it's going to go ahead and regenerate that summary and make it longer. Now you might go through the summary and think this is way too much details. That's not a problem. Just move the length slider down, and it will create a shorter summary for you. All right, so this looks like the right size. I'd suggest going over everything that's written just to make sure everything's accurate. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is change the speaker labels. And this is important, one, for readability, and two, you'll be able to search for these speakers on the meetings page. So I typed in John for speaker A. If I search for John, that's going to pop up right here. Awesome. So once you've checked out the summary, made sure everything's great, changed the speaker labels, you're going to finally want to email the summary to all your participants. That's pretty simple. You just enter the email address of the target here and press send email, and that's about it. And that wraps up our quick demo today. I hope you have fun summarizing your meetings and not having to read through transcripts or listen through recordings. I certainly do when I use Wordcab. Thanks a lot, and happy summarizing.